Okay, this is our countertop range of water filters. We have the single, which is one, double, and triple. The single stage comes with a sediment filter. The double stage comes with a sediment and a carbon block. And the triple stage comes with a sediment, carbon, and a granular activated carbon. So, getting started with your countertop filter is very simple to install. Basically, you open your cartridge, the single comes with the sediment, and basically you just install your filter inside. It's like closing a bottle basically. Okay, that's basically it. And then you have a wrench which you would use to tighten so that it doesn't leak. To connect your countertop unit to the water supply, you would use this fitting. The fitting basically comes with a black rubber for the old-fashioned taps, where you put it in and you tighten the screw. But with the modern taps, with the modern mixers, you would have to open this rubber out. There will be no use for this. And you basically screw this on to replace your existing fitting on your mixer. Then in order to work with this, it has a valve here. When the valve is facing that way, the water will go straight down. And when you turn it, the water will go through your filter system. And that's it. That's it.